Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Zorin OS 15.3 on VMware Workstation 16. So first I am creating a new virtual machine. So I am choosing installer image disk as Zorin OS 15.3, which I already downloaded from Zorin website. So I will install this operating system later. From drop down I am selecting as Ubuntu 64-bit, since it is a clone of Ubuntu project. Now I am giving one name to this virtual machine. Next I am allocating some space to virtual hard drive and store it in single file. Next I am going to customize the hardware. So I will increase the physical memory and CPU cores. And this virtualization engine parameters are optional. So for CD and DVD, once again I am browsing Zorin OS 15.3 core ISO file, and network adapter will be NAT, so that it will be connected to the internet. And so that's all the configuration for Zorin OS 15.3. So now let me start Zorin OS 15.3. So when VMware prompts for any software update like VMware tools for Linux means, please download it and install it. So this will fix all the guest edition related problems. So now let us start the install. So this is the installation screen. Click the install Zorin OS button. So English will be the default language. So I am checking the download and updates. Installation type, I am going to erase the entire disk. So this will be useful for beginners. Click continue button so that changes will be returned to the disk. So now I am going to select the location for date and time. Next I am going to provide username and password. Next I am going to give name to the name to this computer. Click the continue button. Yes, so installation is completed. Now I am rebooting the machine, Zorin OS 15. So now I am logging in. Okay, so screen resolution is not get adjusting automatically. So let me open the terminal. First I am going to check whether any VMware tools installed or not, because screen resolution is not getting adjusted. Yes, so VMware tools is not getting installed automatically. So I am going to install manually. So this is the command to install OpenVM tools manually on Zorin OS 15.3. So Zorin OS basically uses Ubuntu 18.04 repository. So you can see that files are getting downloaded. So it's using Bionic Beaver repository. Yes, you can see that screen resolution is getting updated automatically once install is going. So installation is completed. So OpenVM tools installation done. So before I restart itself, you can see that screen resolution got adjusted automatically. So these are the VMware commands available now. So this is the VMware tools version installed in Zorin OS 15.3. So now let me reboot the Zorin OS 15.3 virtual machine now. Yes. screen resolution is maintained. Now I am checking manually. So what is the screen resolution? Yes, you can see that this is my screen resolution. Screen resolution adjusted automatically. So now I'm going to open the terminal. Sorry, I'm going to open one document here. So I'm typing some word here from Zorin OS 15 VM. I'm going to copy this line to Windows host. Yes, it works. So now I'm typing some words in Windows host machine and going to copy in Zorin OS 15 operating system. Yes. So copy paste, that is shared clipboard, is working fine between both host and Zorin OS 15 virtual machine. So now I am going to check the drag and drop feature. So I am going to drag and drop some files from Windows host to Zorin OS 15.3 VM. So let me drag and drop one file. Yes, I can able to drag and drop. You can see that file is getting copied successfully. So drag and drop feature is working fine between Windows host and Zorin OS 15.3. So make sure that you are connected to the internet. So if the files are not get downloaded, means you install the OpenVM tools manually as I shown in this video. So Zorin OS 15.3 installation on VMware Workstation 16 is successful.